Welcome to Yes Kid Educational Channel.
I am a teacher. I teach at a school. I am a doctor. I work at a hospital. I am engineer. I work at construction site. I am an accountant. I work at an accounting firm. I am a chef. I cook at a restaurant. I am a waiter. I serve drink or food at a restaurant. I am a waitress. I serve drink or food at a restaurant. I am a pilot. I fly planes for an airline. I am a flight attendant. I assist passengers on an airplane. I am a police officer. I work at a police station. I am a firefighter. I work at a fire station. I am a photographer. I take photos at a studio. I am an artist. I create art in my studio. I am a carpenter. I build furniture in a workshop. I am an electrician. I install wiring in buildings. I am a builder. I construct buildings at construction sites. I am a scientist. I conduct research in a laboratory. I am a veterinarian. I care for animals at a veterinary clinic. I am a pharmacist. I dispense medicine at a pharmacy. I am a musician. I perform music at concerts. I am a dentist. I treat teeth at a dental clinic. I am a gardener. I maintain gardens in parks. I am a fisherman. I catch fish in the sea. I am a baker. I bake bread at a bakery. I am a butcher. I prepare meat at a butcher shop. I am a barber. I cut hair at a barber shop. I am a hairdresser. I style hair at a salon. I am a cashier. I handle payments at a store. I am a tailor. I make clothes at a tailor shop. I am a security guard. I protect property at various locations. I am a receptionist. I greet visitors at an office. I am a barista. I make coffee and other beverages at cafe or coffee shop.
Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, subscribe Yes Kid channel.